Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Thursday, February 9th, 2023. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Happy Thursday, everyone. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. Right now, you'll notice the ES back up within the range. It's been a trading range that has seen price go up a day, down a day. Most recently here, you see, again, Tuesday up, Wednesday down, Thursday already up within the range. And we have developed here now a 6-day narrow range, which you can see down here on the PivotBoss Advanced ADR indicator. 60% of ADR right here, 110 points of range inside that 6-day range. The average would be about 176. A 125% target would take you to about 220. So that means if we break out of this range here, we have 200 points of range that could be ahead on the next move easily. And keep in mind, with a light economic calendar this week, including today, initial jobless claims already come and gone. And that's it for the day. Tomorrow, a couple of things on the docket. Otherwise, we could remain within this range heading into the weekend, followed by what could be a breakout opportunity ahead. We still see an uptrend here. We could still see one more push to the upside, perhaps hit 4,300 and then start to drop back down. A failure of 4,100 would suggest weakness up ahead. So right now, still consolidating here at these highs, still trending up. We may still see one more push to the upside, but until that happens, this may be range bound heading into the weekend. If we take a look here at the NQ, similar price action, still uptrending market here for the year. Right now, a very clear narrow 6-day range reflected down here on the indicator. 53% of average. About 900 points would be an easy target up ahead in terms of expansion, maybe even north of 1,100 points. So that means we could see easily 900 points to 1,000 points of range up ahead. And if it's to the upside again, we could be looking at another squeeze that takes us higher toward about 13.5. Right now we're at 12.5. You get the upside move of 1,000 points. 13.5 is right here as an upside target. Again, this range has developed above the previous quarter's high price. So if there's a failure down here, 12.4, you start to rotate back down. But until that happens, we're still in the range with an upward bias, building energy here for a potential breakout down the road. Taking a look here at the crude oil chart. Crude oil right now, a little bit of a pullback day, down about 0.8% right now. A very good squeeze from the previous month's low price back to the previous month's midpoint, that pivot range just shy of the previous close. That pretty much does it for the quick reversal back to that point. We may see a little bit of sideways action here and perhaps a little bit of a continuation higher. Between 82 and 83 would be the next upside target here, and then we're back within the range here with a potential to rotate back down. This market's been happily trading within this range for multiple months now, and we're now at the center of the range, which means we have less potential here for opportunities as we are back at the middle of the range and not at an edge where we could see a reversal back up. So right now, got to be careful with chop here, but there still is an upward bias that could take us to the edge between 82 and 83. Taking a look at gold futures. Gold right now in a 4-day narrow range, slight upward bias here. Big time 2-day pullback. No strong low, but we did get an extreme reversal buy signal. Trying to get the midpoint of that sell-off for a new key range. If it gets the midpoint, we get ourselves a new key range. That's going to be 1924.20. Can price reach 1924.20 before a new low is seen? Can it do it quickly? If so, if this thing can get up here and grab that, we have ourselves a new key range with the potential to see a build out here in that new market structure, and then potential to see fades at the edges, and of course extensions at the extreme. So continue to watch 1924.20 as a potential target up above. Lastly, taking a look at the YM. The YM right now continues to trade not only within a 6-day range like the rest of the markets here, but in a range that is multiple weeks and even multiple months in the making. So this one really has no edge right now at all where we are in terms of a swing move. we're back and forth within a very narrow range to begin the month, and also to begin the year, and also to finish the year. So a lot of compression here happening in the YM. Again, when you bring this thing back out to a weekly chart and look at the 12 or 13 narrow week range there that's developed, there's north of 4,500 points of potential movement that could be seen ahead given this energy. So still building energy for a broader move to come. Right now, stuck in the range. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.